Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to offer you my story about growing Nemesia. Do you have this plant in your garden collection? Nemesia are good plants for growing in pots. Flowers make a bold statement on a porch or patio. Nemesia is unpretentious in care. This plant is best suited for containers placed on steps or countertops. You should not use it for hanging baskets, because the plant has a small height. This is a popular series of Nemesia Nebula, Strumosa F1, with large flowers of bright saturated color. A hybrid with excellent basal branching. Nebula has strong plants that provide excellent garden qualities. It is also the best variety for pots and bowls. Nebula is available in individual colors, red, yellow, white and others, but I decided to buy a mixture of seeds of different colors. The flowers are larger than other varieties. Nebula has better habit and better batch uniformity compared to other varieties. Plant height 20 to 25 centimeters or 8 to 10 inches. Distance between plants when planting 20 to 25 centimeters or 8 to 10 inches. It is better to plant in pots with a diameter of 10.5 to 12 centimeters or 5 to 6 inches. Planting Nemesia in pots. I plant Nemesia in pots in the spring when it gets warmer. For planting, you need to use fertile potting soil, which is slightly acidic and provides drainage. It is important for the plant to grow well that there are drainage holes in the container so that excess water can drain through the pot. What soil is best for Nemesia? The best soil for Nemesia should be slightly acidic and rich in nutrients. This plant prefers fertile soil, so I usually use a mixture of peat, vermicompost and organic compost. The soil should be moist but promote drainage. Add mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture. Nemesia care. Nemesia is an easy-to-care plant that is best planted in partial shade in the sun. The soil should be fertile and slightly acidic. Nemesia loves water, needs frequent watering, but pots need drainage so that the roots do not get damp. Water Nemesia in a pot when the top few inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Do not water container grow Nemesia if the soil is damp. Nemesia does not tolerate drought well, so be prepared to water more frequently during dry periods. Fertilizer Nemesia. If you want to see the lush flowering of the plant, you must use top dressing and rich soil. Apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer to potted Nemesia plants every other week to encourage growth and flowering. Is it possible to save Nemesia for flowering next season? Nemesia is an annual plant in most areas and dies off when the weather turns cold. Roots can survive the winter if the container is moved to a warm location such as a basement or greenhouse. Trim back stem growth to a few inches, move the plant to a sheltered spot, and new shoots may appear in the spring. Nemesia needs a rest period in the winter to recharge its energy for spring. Nemesia in landscape design. Nemesia looks very impressive as a litter plant in compositions with pelargoniums and petunias. The bright Nemesia flowers make a great backdrop for other plants. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up below the video. See you soon.